Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today the 2025 Ford Puma is here, bringing sharper styling, cutting-edge tech, and electrified powertrains to the table. Whether you're after efficiency, style, or sporty performance, Ford has packed the Puma with everything you need to stand out on the road. But is it the right choice for you? Let's dive in and find out. Ford's little crossover has been a favorite in the European market, blending practicality with fun driving dynamics. Now, for 2025, it's been refreshed with an even more aggressive design, improved interiors, and the latest hybrid technology. Stick around as we take a deep dive into the design, interior, performance, and all the exciting features of the new Puma. First up, the exterior. The 2025 Ford Puma takes a bold step forward in design. Ford has sharpened the look with a wider grille, sleeker LED headlights, and a sportier stance. The front end is dominated by a signature mesh grille that gives the car a more aggressive presence, while the LED matrix headlights now come with a more defined shape, enhancing visibility and adding to the futuristic appeal. Moving to the side, the Puma's dynamic character lines and muscular wheel arches make it look athletic, even at a standstill. New alloy wheel designs range from 17 to 19 inches, giving you options to customize the look to match your style. The sloping roofline adds a coupe-like profile, blending sportiness with crossover practicality. At the back, the 2025 Puma gets refreshed LED taillights and a redesigned bumper, giving it a cleaner, more modern look. The integrated roof spoiler not only enhances aerodynamics but also adds to the sporty appeal. Ford has really stepped up the game with this refresh, making sure the Puma turns heads wherever it goes. Step inside, and you're greeted by a high-tech, driver-focused cabin that feels more premium than ever. Ford has upgraded the materials, with soft touch surfaces, refined stitching, and a more ergonomic layout. The centerpiece of the dashboard is the all-new 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, providing crisp graphics and customizable displays to keep you informed on the go. The biggest upgrade, the new 12-inch Sync 4 infotainment system. It's faster, smoother, and packed with features, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in navigation, and voice command integration. The interface is intuitive, making it easier than ever to access your favorite apps and vehicle settings. And speaking of convenience, the Puma now features an improved voice assistant that can adjust climate settings, find your favorite songs, or even give you real-time traffic updates without you taking your hands off the wheel. Tech lovers will also appreciate the wireless charging pad, multiple USB-C ports, and an upgraded B&O sound system that delivers crystal-clear audio. Whether you're on a long road trip or just cruising through the city, the Puma ensures you stay connected and entertained. Despite its compact size, the 2025 Puma is surprisingly spacious. The rear seats offer good legroom for passengers, and the high roofline means even taller passengers won't feel cramped. And let's talk about cargo space. Ford's signature megabox storage in the trunk adds extra depth, making it perfect for carrying taller items. Whether it's groceries, sports gear, or weekend luggage, the Puma has you covered. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2025 Puma offers a range of efficient yet punchy powertrains, including mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid options. Starting with the base model, you get a 1.0-liter EcoBoost 3-cylinder engine paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. It delivers up to 155 horsepower while improving fuel efficiency by recovering energy during braking and acceleration. The mild hybrid system not only boosts performance but also ensures a smoother driving experience. For those craving more power, Ford offers a sportier ST version with a 1.5-liter EcoBoost turbocharged engine, pushing out 200 horsepower. This hot crossover delivers sharp handling, quick acceleration, and a more aggressive suspension setup for an exhilarating drive. The Puma comes with multiple drive modes, including normal, eco, sport, and even a trail mode for mild off-road adventures. Whether you want efficiency or excitement, the Puma adapts to your driving style effortlessly. Safety has been a top priority for Ford, and the 2025 Puma comes packed with the latest driver assistance features. You get adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring, making highway driving safer and more convenient. Ford's pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking can detect pedestrians and vehicles, helping you avoid potential accidents. And for those tricky parking situations, the Puma now offers a 360-degree camera system and enhanced park assist, making tight spots a breeze. So, how does the Puma stack up against its rivals? Competing with models like the Volkswagen T-Roc, Hyundai Kona, and Peugeot 2008, the Ford Puma stands out with its sporty design, hybrid efficiency, and fun driving dynamics. Pricing for the 2025 Puma is expected to start around $25,000 for the base model, with higher trims and the sporty ST version reaching up to $35,000, depending on options. Given the level of technology, design, and performance on offer, the Puma remains a strong contender in the compact SUV market. The 2025 Ford Puma brings a refreshed design, smarter tech, and more efficient powertrains while keeping the fun-to-drive nature that made it so popular. Whether you're looking for an efficient daily driver or a sporty crossover with character, the Puma delivers on all fronts. What do you think of the 2025 Ford Puma? Would you pick this over its competitors? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MVP Auto 08 for more in-depth car reviews and the latest automotive updates. Until next time, drive safe and stay awesome.